Hello students, welcome to Advocate Bapu Saheb Bhunde High School, Lonavala. Standard 1, Subject Maths, representing Teacher Poonam Gaikwad. Children, in our last video, we studied about the concept of direction. That is, we studied left and right concept. Today we will study the concept of time. So children, our topic for today is less time, more time. Children, we do many activities every day. We go to school, we play with our friends, we take our lunch, we listen to music and so on. Do you know that we need time according to the activity? Some things take more time and some things takes less time. Now look at this picture, children. Pooja is cooking in the kitchen and Priya is combing her hair. Now who will take more time, Pooja or Priya? Pooja will take more time and Priya will take less time. Now here Aisha is making a drawing and Anagha is sneezing. Who will take more time? Aisha or Anagha? Yes, Aisha will take more time and Anagha will take less time. Now in this picture, Rahul and Sagar are going to the shop. Rahul is cycling, whereas Sagar is walking. Who will take less time, Rahul or Sagar? Rahul will take less time and Sagar will take more time. Amit is drawing picture of a house. Aryan is making model of a house. Who will take less time, Amit or Aryan? Amit will take less time while Aryan will take more time. Because for making a model of a house, we require more time. Now, Sujal is eating a lunch and Neil is brushing his teeth. Who will take more time, Sujal or Neil? Can you tell me, children? Yes, Sujal will take more time and Neil will take less time. How long it will take for blinking an eye and reading a book? Can you tell, children, which will take less time? Yes, blinking eye will take less time, whereas reading a book will take more time. So children, I hope you all are understanding the concept of less time and more time. Okay, for better understanding, let us see some more examples. So, which vessel will fill in less time? Think and tell me. Yes, the bottle will fill in less time. Why? Because it is smaller than the tank. So, the bottle will take less time to fill and the tank will take more time. Now here, color the box under the picture of the vehicle which takes more time for journey. First is the bullock cart and the second vehicle is the bus. Now tell me which vehicle will take more time for journey? Yes, bullock cart will take more time for the journey because the bus has motor and the bullock cart is drawn by the cows. Let us see one more example. Here, put one dot for the activity that takes place in less time and two dots for the one that takes more time. Now children, can you tell who will take more time? Yes, the girl who is swimming will take more time. So there will be one dot in front of the motorboat and two dots in front of the girl swimming. Yes, so children, I hope you all understood the concept. Thank you. Have a nice day.